I'm just happy to be alive. Listen, I'm in my right mind. My hands, my feet, my brain is working. I'm breathing. So God is good to me. So I am joyful, okay? And I'm going to be glad in it. Thank you. Anyway, today I am back with another video. This is Nikisha. I'm Nikisha. What? Let's start that over. This is Nikisha's life. And I'm Nikisha. Hello. Out there. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a video today. I just took down my hair out of my protective style with the mini twist, fluffy mini twist I did, which I absolutely love them that hair style. Let me think and talk, okay? Brain and mouth, work together. Thank you. So today I am back doing another video. I don't know what I want to do with my hair. I know I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to be using the Aussie Moisture. It's the Mega Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. This stuff is absolutely bomb.com. This leaves my hair so freaking moisturized and so juicy after I wash it. I love this stuff. And then I'm going to follow up with a deep conditioner, which is the Aussie Moist 3-minute one. But I'm not going to keep it in for 3 minutes. I'm going to keep it in probably longer. And I'm going to pair it with a hair repair banana and bamboo nourishing conditioner for dry and brittle hair. My hair is, it's dry, but it ain't all that brittle, but we're gonna pair with these two. And before I did the twist for real, my hair was probably right underneath my collarbone, so it's grown a little bit. My hair likes to be left alone. This is the back of my hair. I don't know how I ended up doing a length check, but we're here, so we're gonna go with it. And the side of my hair comes right here. My bangs, which I think takes the longest to grow, and they're always like stuck right here. Oh, what? Shut your face. My bangs finally have gone past the stop point of here. Right here. So yeah, I think I'm going to continue doing protective styles on my hair for the duration of the year, just to see where my hair goes, and then constantly keep it, between styles, washing, deep conditioning. So I'm back. I washed, deep conditioned, and sat under the hooded dryer for about 10 minutes. And this is my hair. Fresh and so clean. Okay, so the products I'm going to be using to do my twist extensions are the Murray's Edge Control. And for this price, I thought it was a little bit expensive, but whatever, it's supposed to be good. I'm going to be using my favorite Cream of Nature Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to be doing the Main Choice. I'm going to be putting this in my hair just as extra moisture. And then as well as my Jamaican black castor oil, just to give my hair a little bit more shine. And then I'm going to be twisting with the Eco Styler gel. And then I have 2 combs until a regular guys, this is my last one I just did. And I love how it came out. You guys, something quick, easy. Turn around so you can see it. Yes, girl, yes. I'm about to dip them because some of them are coming unraveled because I cut them, which is what I expected, which is fine. I'm gonna cut them and seal the ends of them. So I'll be back with the water and I'll show you how I dip them and the finished results. Okay? Okay. I'll be my little hot water. I'm scared, y'all, because these are kind of short. I did my hair and this is what it looks like after I dipped it. And they're big and chunky like I like them. I didn't want them uniform and I didn't want them all in one size and length. I kind of wanted them all around. So this is what I did. This is the end result. My hair to be out of the way, so hopefully it's lasting about a week or so. It didn't take that long. It took literally about an hour and a half to complete this hairstyle. And I have plenty of hair left over. Some of them I kept length long, some of them I cut in half, blurry. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do my little vapor rouge. I don't even do baby hairs because my baby hairs never, you know. Do a little something for you.